Hi guys, welcome to Freshers Camp. So we are back with another free online course for you, AICTE free online course. AICTE provides free diploma courses and free certificate courses during COVID-19 lockdown. Before moving on to the details about course, let me tell you about our channel. So we provide regular updates on government jobs, technical, non-technical, and all other type of job opportunities, as well as preparation material for campus placements and government jobs. Do not forget to subscribe the channel for regular updates. Please like the video and leave your queries in the comment section below. Moving further about the course, so AICT has launched a free e-learning portal for the candidates because they are sitting home during this COVID-19 quarantine period. So upskill yourself via AICTE free online courses during this lockdown period. What is AICTE? All India Council for Technical Education, which has recently begun an e-learning portal, ELIS, Enhancement in Learning with Improvement in Skills to promote e-learning during COVID-19 lockdown. So this initiative has started to foster digital learning and support the student community across the country. Several eminent education providers has participated willingly to offer e-courses free of course for the keen aspirants to help them cope up with this quarantine period. ELIS portal has been created with an objective to ensure holistic development of the aspirants. These AICT free courses aim to enhance valuable skill sets required to become employable in the industry and seem upskilled. So a total of 18 leading edtech companies have participated and have floated different courses to enrich the knowledge and skills of eager participants via this platform. Let us see what are these online courses. Diploma in Machine Learning with RStudio, Machine Learning using Python. IEEE, Certified Software Testing Professional, Functional Testing. Data Analytics using R, Big Data 101, Java Programming, Python for Data Science or Data Science for Beginners. Digital Marketing, MATLAB on RAMP, AI/ML Internship, Financial Management, Performance Management and Competency Mapping, MTC e-learning management system, Tic-Tac-Toe, free app-based courses for communication skills and interview preparation, virtual robotics toolkits, VRT, CAD using Autodesk Inventor, PTC Creo 6.0, structure and foundation analysis. So these are the courses. To apply for any of these courses, you have to click on this link which we have provided. You'll click on the link and you'll move to another website. See, this is the website of AICTE. They have also provided all the courses, ELIS free courses. Select any of the course in whichever you are interested and then you'll move to another web page. So click on learn for free during COVID shutdown and you will move to another page where they will be asking for you some personal details. So this is the website, and so you will click on start course now to start the course. They have also provided all the information regarding the description, modules, outcome and certifications. So you will just click here. So now they're asking you to log in to continue. If you already have account on this website, then you can log in with your previous account details. If you are new here, so you will have to create an account. You can also continue with your other social medias accounts, or you can sign up with your new accounts. After that, you will be receiving a mail through Skyfire Labs for the other informations regarding this, the timing and all other information. Moving on to Fresher Camp website. So we have provided all the details on our website. You can refer to the website if you have any queries. If you are interested in this free online courses provided by AICTE, so you can refer to the description for the link. Do not forget to subscribe the channel for regular updates. Please like the video and leave your queries in the comment section below. Thank you.